When you search for height-adjustable tablet stands, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, LISEN Tablet Stand. The LISEN tablet stand caught my eye right away with its foldable design and budget-friendly price of just $8.99. With a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from over 12,400 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice. If you want a reliable, portable solution for your tablet, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The LISEN stand is not just about looks. It offers adjustable height and angle features, which mean you can position your tablet exactly where you need it to reduce neck strain. Its gravity-based secure system keeps your device stable without worrying about clips or magnets that can wear out. Plus, it folds flat for easy storage and travel, perfect if you're on the go. With over 8,000 sold in the past month, it shows how much people trust this product. Now, some people complained about the height limit, saying it doesn't go as high as they'd like. Here's the thing though, it's designed for desk use, so for most home and office scenarios, it works just fine. If you're looking for something to use while standing, it might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable and portable stand for casual use. Skip this one if you're looking for a stand that supports taller heights or heavier devices. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the height limitation of the LISEN tablet stand bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a larger height range. Product number 2, Cooper Tab Holder. The Cooper Tab Holder is another solid option priced at $16.95, and it boasts a 4.6-star rating from about 1,300 reviews. What caught my attention here is its 270 degrees tilt feature, allowing you to find the perfect angle for any task. If you want flexibility and comfort while working, this stand deserves your consideration. Its telescoping range from 7 to 10 inches brings your screen right to eye level, which is crucial if you spend long hours on video calls or reading. The weighted metal base ensures stability, even on soft surfaces, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over. Plus, it supports devices up to 4.4 pounds, making it versatile for tablets and portable monitors alike. With its triple stability design, it's been tested extensively to withstand daily use, over 10,000 tests. That's impressive. However, some users mentioned that the setup could be a bit tricky, especially if you're not handy with tools. But honestly, once you get it set up, it's pretty straightforward and holds your devices solidly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sturdy stand for your home office or kitchen. Skip this one if you prefer something that requires no assembly. For the price, it strikes a decent balance between functionality and cost. That was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing extra height and stability. Product number 3, Townie Height Adjustable Stand. Coming in at $23.99, the Townie Height Adjustable Tablet Stand stands out with its ergonomic design aimed at reducing neck and shoulder pain. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,600 reviews, it's a favorite for those who need a bit more height. If comfort during long hours is your goal, take a look at this one. What's great about this stand is its height adjustment range from 11.81 to 18.11 inches, allowing you to set it perfectly for sitting or standing. This is particularly beneficial during Zoom meetings or virtual classes, where your eye level matters for comfort and engagement. It supports up to 3.5 pounds, accommodating most tablets and portable monitors without any wobbling, thanks to its reinforced structure. Now, some users reported that the clamp mechanism can be a bit stiff, making it hard to adjust on the fly. I'll be real with you, it does take a little getting used to, but once you find the perfect height, it does remain securely in place. This is perfect for you if you are a remote worker or student who spends hours in front of a screen. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easily portable. Given its features, it's worth the investment. Alright, if you like the ergonomic focus of the Townie stand, the next one is similar but offers even more versatility in angles. Product number 4, SAIJI iPad Stand. The SAIJI iPad stand is priced at $27.53 and holds an impressive rating of 4.7 stars from over 11,400 reviews. What really grabbed my attention is its ability to rotate 360 degrees, making it ideal for multiple viewing angles. If you want a stand that adapts to your needs, this might be the one for you. Its height adjusts from 11.4 to 18.1 inches, which is perfect for maintaining eye-level viewing whether you're sitting or standing. The 360 degrees rotation and 76 degrees tilt make it easy to switch from reading to video calls without constantly adjusting your setup. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, from tablets to portable monitors, which is a huge plus. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it at a desk or home office, the stability it provides outweighs the portability concern. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible, high-quality stand for multiple devices at home. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for travel. For its features, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a fantastic choice. But the last one on my list offers a more budget-friendly twist while keeping essential features. Product number 5, Cooper Tab Holder White. Finally, we have another Cooper Tab holder, this time in white, priced at $18.95. It shares similar features with the black version but brings a fresh aesthetic. With a consistent 4.6 star rating from about 1,300 reviews, it's still a strong contender. If you want a stylish yet functional stand, consider this option. The weighted metal base prevents tipping, while the wider holding plate accommodates a variety of devices. It provides 270 degrees tilt for multiple viewing angles, perfect for casual use around the house or during video conferences. And let's not forget, it's built to last with a robust design. Now, some users did mention the weight can be a bit cumbersome to move around, but honestly, if you're using it primarily in one spot, it's a non-issue. The stability it offers makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish stand that doesn't compromise on functionality. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for travel. For the cost, it's a reliable choice. So there you have it. We covered 5 height-adjustable tablet stands, each with its unique perks. The LISEN is great for portability, Cooper's models shine in stability and aesthetic, the Townie focuses on ergonomics, and SAIJI offers versatile angles. Choose the one that fits your needs best.